It was a shock to homeowners and the markets as well. The Reserve Bank raised the cash rate by 25 basis points, taking it to the highest level since April 2012. The hike takes the cash rate to 3.85% and means there's more pain on the way for mortgage holders.
A shock decision the markets were not expecting.
Now, interestingly enough, the Reserve Bank has just come out and raised interest rates by 1/4%.
The RBA deciding to raise rates by 25 basis points, taking the cash rate from 3.6% to 3.85%. It's the 11th rise in 12 meetings after the RBA kept rates on hold in April.
Well, I don't second guess the decisions taken independently by the Reserve Bank, as you know. My job is different. It's to hand down a budget which is carefully calibrated to these economic conditions that we confront right now. The Reserve Bank, the Treasury, I think almost everybody expects the Australian economy to slow substantially later this year. That is the inevitable consequence, in my view, of higher interest rates combined with the global slowdown.
Economists were predicting another pause after the inflation rate dropped from 7.8% to 7.0%. But Governor Lowe had warned there may be more hikes to come.
Well, what a kick in the shins for mortgage holders around the country, including me, Karen. But this is what happens when inflation is not under control. It's at 7%. And if you want to look at who's at fault, have a talk to Jim Chalmers. He's already had one budget.
The rise is set to put further pressure on mortgage holders. Is it going to impact you? You're going to have to make some changes?
Me personally, yeah, probably, especially, well, I rent, and so that'll probably affect me a bit more with cost of living and all that going up. And so, yeah.
I'm not really surprised because I think according to their charter, they've got to keep raising until inflation comes down. I think the economy is overheating. Yeah.
So the RBA has made the right decision today?
I think so, yes.
Is it going to affect you?
A bit, not as much as some. I feel very sorry for some of the late borrowers there.
No, you're the first person telling me this, so thanks for the update. I'll be going and seeing the consequences that has on my budget, yes.
According to Rate City, a loan for a $500,000 property will go up by another $78 a month, taking the total increase to $1,058 since May last year. And a loan for a $1 million home will increase by another $156 a month, taking the total increase in monthly repayments to $2,117. The 11th cash rate rise in a year will be difficult for the 3 million households with a mortgage and difficult too for the Treasurer's budget balancing act.
Our job is to provide responsible cost of living relief, to do what we can without adding substantially to this inflation challenge that we have in our economy.
We need a government that has a clear plan to deal with these inflationary pressures and take pressure off interest rates.
Gabriella Power, Sky News.